Hi guys, it's me, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Today I want to talk about chia seeds. Chia seeds come in black and they also come in white. They're both the same thing and they are excellent for your health. These little seeds are high in protein, high in fiber. They have vitamin B, they have potassium, calcium, iron, zinc, and magnesium. And they are just a very beneficial addition to any of your cereals. Sprinkle it on your salad, put it in your smoothies. You will see it is excellent for your health. Chia is loaded in antioxidants, and antioxidants are of course great for your brain, for your heart, and for your liver. And they also help you fight cancer. They will help you regulate the sugar in your blood. And they have a component that can keep your bones stronger. So if you eat it consistently, you may be making your bones stronger. It's worth it. Besides all those wonderful things, it is also very good for weight loss because these little seeds, they expand inside your stomach and they slow down digestion and they keep you full. You know, you won't be hungry for a long time. So what a wonderful little seed. So I encourage you to use this often. We're gonna make a pudding, an easy little recipe just to show you one of the uses of this amazing seed. Chia pudding is really easy to make, guys, and it is such a great snack or breakfast. It's incredible. So I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in this jar. I'm gonna add a cup of almond milk. It's unsweetened. Guys, you use whatever milk you want. I'm gonna stir that. You can flavor this however you want, okay? If you wanna make this more tropical, let's say, you can use coconut milk and then serve it with tropical fruit. You can sweeten it with honey, with maple syrup, or nothing at all. This is the base. So I'm just gonna put a little cinnamon in there. Say that's a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm gonna put another 1/4 teaspoon vanilla and 1/2 teaspoon of maple syrup. What's gonna happen now is the chia is gonna hydrate itself. It's gonna expand. It's gonna get kind of like a gel. And yeah, but we need to stir it one more time. So I'm gonna let this sit in the refrigerator for about an hour in the liquid and then we will finish. This has been in the refrigerator for a couple hours. I'm just gonna give it a good mix. Don't skip this step, guys, because as I said, you're gonna have clumps in there, okay? We're gonna put this back in the fridge covered and we're gonna eat it tomorrow. If you wanted to eat it today, leave it at least another 2 hours, okay? Our chia has been in the fridge overnight, so now let's taste it. So I'm gonna top it with raspberries today. These are clean, but you can use melon, apple, mango, strawberries, blueberries, papaya, whatever fruit you want, if you wanna add fruit to this, okay? And there you have it. So we'll taste it. That's really nice, guys. What a great breakfast, or as I said, a snack. Very nice. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. Stay healthy, and I will see you soon.